Uh, I'm Deepak from FactTech. So, as we discussed in the first purchase management video, like there are four parts in the complete video or tutorial of the purchase management. First one we discussed, that is setup part, where we discussed about like how to add role permissions and map roles to the employees. Okay, and then we discuss about the automation workflow also setup part. So that we discussed this complete automation workflow about purchase request, purchase order, and PO template that we discussed. Okay. So today, as part of that series, we are going to discuss about the purchase request. Okay, which is the most critical part and starting of this complete PRPO tool. So in FactTech system, this is the dashboard. You can see like purchase request also. So as a requester, you can see what is happening to the purchase request. Okay. So for this, you need to have a dashboard permission. If you are not able to see the dashboard, not able to like see this on your dashboard, then you can ask your admin to just give the dashboard permission, view permission. Okay. So here dashboard itself we can see like what is the draft stage of purchase request, pendings, approved, like approved are 7. Okay, then declined, there are 2 purchase requests which has been declined. Okay, so coming to the purchase request into detail here. So purchase request has the simple workflow where first of all we create the purchase request, then we send this purchase request for approval. So once we send this for approval, then it pending stage. Okay, and system will, like, there can be multiple level of approvals definitely. Okay, then also we can, like, once the purchase requests are approved, then they move to the approved one. So any pending or any approval authority can do 2-3 things about the purchase request. Like first one is definitely approve. He can approve. He can also decline. The person can also decline the purchase request if he find like it is totally mismatch or not in the budget or whatever reason, like not in the scope. So he can decline the purchase request. So once the purchase request is declined, then person has to raise a new purchase request. It cannot be come to like change or any other thing. Third option, which is like quite handy, request a change. So suppose as a approval I want to get it changed, so I can request a change to the purchase requester. Okay, so these are the 2-3 operations which are more prominent there. Okay, so let's start with the purchase request. So I'm going into the draft. Currently we have 0 draft purchase request, so I will create a purchase request now. So for creating a new PR, I need to add a title. Okay, so let's say I'm creating a purchase request for facility, okay, housekeeping material. Here I can add a description in detail. Suppose I want to create a material, like what I want to include here for like say reception and restrooms. So we can add detail here. Even we can attach documents in this. Okay, so here we can add the documents for the purchase request once we save it. So first of all I will just create it. So here you can see I added the title and description. Now I am just adding the inventory items or even services we can add here in the one purchase request. So here I'm just searching like say fastener. Okay, so 10 mm I need quantity, let's say 30 quantity I need, and what is the price. So this price automatically came if it is available in the master, otherwise we need to enter it. Okay, let's say price is like 350. Okay, so here you can see system is showing the complete value of this, and even we can add the priority here, tax and discount. Okay, so tax we can add let's say it is a 5% tax as per the GST rules, or if there is a discount offered by the vendor, so we can do that. So vendor also is a important part here. While raising the purchase request, if we have approved vendor, then we can select the vendor from the right side. Let's say it is a vendor Sudhir Electrical, and here we can select a vendor can have multiple locations, so we can select the location also. Like say I need to go for Delhi, this is for Delhi vendor, so I can do that. Okay, now I can add more items here. One is fastener I have added. I can add the remarks to this item. Okay. Best quality, whatever, like I can add some remarks here, okay, which is helpful for the approval and other things. So this is again very so related POs. This is very important feature. So I can see for this fastener item what are the different POs and in which stage it is there. So you can see here already PO has been created on August 22 and August 18, and these are two pending POs. Okay, and who has created, like this is created by Deepak. Okay, so that time we can see here. So this gives us idea. Okay, now for now I'm hiding it. Now for plus item, like I can want to add more items. Let's say material or chemical I want to add, so I can just search it. Like say armory paper I need. Okay, so in quantity, what is the like measurement of this? So we can see it is number here. So we need like 20 in number, and price I'm adding like say 105. Okay, so this we can do. We can add more details here. Okay, here we can add remarks and other things, so that we can do. And if we want to add a service also, we can do that. So all these are optional, so we can add any of these two also. Okay, so service I need like say installation or whatever it is there. Suppose this is the one service I need. Okay, so I need two this, and it is like 500. So this I have added. Now you can see here at the top, like you can see here 3 items total added, 52 units, and total is like around total amount is around 14,175. Okay, this is there. Now again in this purchase request, for this demo, like for this example, we have created category also. Like there are 2 categories, reimbursable from customer and non-reimbursable. This is very important to select, because as per that automation workflow will work, and different approval authority will be like it will send for the different approval authority. So expected date of delivery also I can select here. So this is also a, like I can select like 20th September I need. Okay, so and these are the some custom fields which we can select, like service start date, end date. So I can start like say, let's say 1st of October to 2013 to 24 October 30th September. Okay, so this is the service date for this service offering we have. We can add more details here, like whatever site location, other things we want to add it. So all these custom fields will be used in a PO template. So these will be like filled in the part of the PO template. Let's say I am filling it Delhi TNJ. Okay, then site location is let's say CP. Okay, contact person I am adding my name Deepak. Okay, so these details I filled it, and I just make it save. So we have to make sure that we save it, because here it is showing unsaved changes, so we should save it. Then only it will become as a in the draft stage. So it is showing in the draft. So this purchase request now it is in a draft stage. We can review it. We can, if we want to change, we can change this. Okay, see this complete detail we can change. Like we can see the complete detail here. Okay, so we can change as per our need, and we can review the details if we want to upload the documents. Now moment we make it in draft stage, we can upload the documents. The document option came here, so we can upload a document. Let's say this is one attachment, some approvals is there, some client emails are there, or some related material we can upload here. Okay, so as per our need we can upload the documents, whatever we want. uh, okay, that can be uploaded. So this become very useful for the approval. Okay, so once it is there, I can save it again, and then if I found it okay, everything, I review it. uh, like say this facility, I just select it. Okay, I can now send it for approval. Okay, so I'm ready to send it for approval. So next step for purchase request is, like I will just tell it again. First step is creating a purchase request. We need add a name, title, we select vendor, if it is there. Okay, approved vendors, we select category, we selected expected delivery date, and we filled custom fields also. And most important, definitely items, which items we want to order in the as a purchase request. Okay, and what service we want to add, we can add it. Okay, so this is one part, and summary we can review. Then uh, important part is the uploading of documents, relevant documents, approval or emails, PDFs we can upload from here. So that we have done. Once it is done, then I am ready to send it for approval. Moment we send it for approval, then this purchase request will not be editable until it come again as a change request. Okay, so I'm just sending it for approval. So moment I click here, system will automatically show. It is very transparent. Like here you can see in which category it has gone. Like it is RFC value less than 25 lakhs. So you remember in the first session of this tutorial, we discussed about how to configure these approval workflows. So as per that, it has gone. Level 1 PR1 admin, level 2 PR2 admin. Okay, this has gone. So person has to log in as a PR1 admin, and then this will be approved by that person. Okay, so now I can close it if I want. So you can see here now pending that our this PR25 moves to the pending stage, and we can see here also detail. We can see what is happening there, and we can see history also, any point of time. Okay, so this is what we can see here. So this history you can see complete from the starting, like okay, what it was added, purchase type added, by whom it was added, okay, who has created. So this approval, currently this is like draft to pending stage. Okay, now I will log in with a different like PR as a PR1 admin. I will show like how they will see in the purchase request. So what I'm doing is I'm just logging it now.